Bueno, voy.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Vance County, southwestern Warren County, northeastern Granville County, north central Franklin County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Henderson, moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Henderson, Stovall, Middleburg, Gilbert, Steel Creek Marina and Campground, Car Lake, South Henderson, Dabney, Satterwhite Point Marina, and Tungsten. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: